because we think the right way.
You have capacity to make a difference in your life and the life of the people around you. You can change the entire generation if you only did more of what you have been doing right. You came to change the lives of people whom you encounter. And you have the capacity. Because of you, somebody will dress better. Somebody will eat better. Will drive a better car. Will stay in a better house. Because of you, somebody's life will be healthier. You were born to be a solution to someone's challenge. Rise up to the occasion. Think right and do the right things. Remember, never before since Adam and Eve has there ever been anybody like you, and never again to the end of the world will there ever be anybody like you. You are made with a special DNA to change your family, your society, and the world. Take charge and do not waste this opportunity. Make a difference in your life to make a difference in the life of others around you. Go for that tender. Start that business. Write that book. Prepare that recipe. Start that organization. Start that company. Do not be enslaved by other people's standards. Dump that marking scheme and make your own. If you have been getting the wrong answer, change the question. You have limited yourself long enough by the way you do things. You have tortured yourself long enough by the way you think. Get angry at your present life. Stop waiting for tomorrow to change things around. Start small. In the small things, be happy and build them into an empire one step at a time. Do not despise small beginnings. A big fire starts with a spark. Great organizations start with making you a bed. On anything you set your mind on, act on it as if it were impossible to fail. Always walk with an attitude that the word impossible is a misspelling of I am possible. The men who build the future are those who know that greater things grow from small things, and the best things are yet to come because they are waiting for you to discover them.
Stop pursuing success as if success is a destination. You carry success in your own life. It is what you have invested that will determine whether you're going to be successful or not.
Stop running after your shadow. You will never catch it. Stop chasing soap bubbles. They will burst in your hands. You want to be like so and so. You want to have this or that figure. You want to be lighter or darker. Microsoft started in a hall of residence. M-Pesa was a student's idea. Great books have been written in prison. What is stopping you? Know today you have all you need to be happy, to be prosperous, to be established in the Lord, and help others be established. You were not born to watch other people succeed as you fail. You were not born to see other people smile while you cry. You are not born to see other people advance as you deteriorate. You have a right to get the best in this world, and you are doing no one any favor by pursuing less. I say again, get angry at being ordinary. You are not a commoner.
getting it through to achieve that success.
Remember, you are here to make a difference. You are different. Imitation is limitation. Turn the leaf and start planting seeds instead of eating them. Brooding eggs instead of breaking them at the breakfast table. Investing your money instead of spending it. Start small and grow. You are marked out for greatness and nobody can stop you. You will accept no excuses because you are committed. Others have thousands of reasons why they cannot, but you have that one reason why you can.
We can draw money from the bank as much as we have saved. If you have saved nothing, you cannot draw from your bank.
Plan things ahead. Change your mindset. This mindset does not just come. You must do 4 things.
Listen to the right message. 2, read the right books. And 3, watch the right things. When you do those 3 things, you will therefore choose the right people to work with. The people you bring into your life will dictate the pace that you acquire in life. Was the right or the wrong direction?